and thank it for honoring this important occasion. It is my greatest privilege to formally inaugurate this committee on state policing. The task before this committee is both significant and timely as it speaks directly to our reflective demand to strengthen Nigeria's internal security and ensure that policing in our community remains responsive to the reality of our communities. Across the nation, we continue to confront evolving security challenges. These require innovative thinking, strategic collaboration, and a willingness to explore reform that will enhance our capability. This committee on state police we are inaugurating today has a critical responsibility. Your work will help shape the framework through which state policing may operate in Nigeria in a manner that strengthens rather than fragments our national security system. In carrying out this assignment, your deliberations must be guided by professionalism, objectivity, and a clear appreciation of the unique complexity of policing in a diverse nation like our own. Among other responsibilities, the committee is expected to review existing police models within and outside Nigeria, assess community security needs and emerging risks amongst the country, propose an operational framework for the establishment and coordination of state police structures, address issues relating to recruitment, training standards, and resource allocation, develop robust accountability and oversight mechanisms to ensure professionalism and public trust. If thoughtfully designed and effectively implemented, state policing holds significant potential benefits for our country. By bringing law enforcement closer to the communities, state police institutions can deepen local knowledge of security dynamics and enable quicker and more targeted response to emerging threats. Furthermore, the decentralization of certain policing responsibility can allow for more efficient allocation of security resources. State governments and local authorities will be better positioned to respond to specific security challenges within their jurisdiction, while the federal government continues to focus on broader national security priorities. The Nigerian Police Force will continue to play its constitutional role as the primary national law enforcement institution responsible for maintaining internal security across the federal efficiency policing by allowing the federal police to concentrate more strategically on complex and transnational crimes such as terrorism, organized crimes, cybercrime, trafficking network, and other serious security threats that require national coordination and specialized capacity. Let me therefore reassure the officers and men of the Nigerian Police Force that their relevance, responsibilities, and professional importance within Nigeria's security architecture remain both intact and indispensable. The vision we seek, one of synergy, not competition, partnership, not duplication. I therefore urge you to approach your assignments with diligence, intellectual rigor, and a deep sense of patriotism. The expectations of Nigerians are high, and the outcome of your work will play a significant role in shaping the future of policing in our country. On this note, it is my honor to formally inaugurate the Committee on State Police and to wish you a fruitful deliberation. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
The Secretary of the Committee is Commissioner of Police, Bode MNI. Assistant Commissioner of Police, Okechukwu Okafor. Of the committee, from the chairman, secretary, and other members. The person that is unavoidably absent is the, but for formality, would respectfully request the IGP to please join members of the committee in a picture.
And accountability. Your recommendations will shape Nigerian security landscape. Be thorough, be bold, and deliver results. The nation awaits your outcome. Let the work begin. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Members of the committee can have your seats. Let me state without ambiguity, there will be zero tolerance for partisanship, misconduct, or abuse of authority. Something that has given a lot of us worry, including myself. And he has said that even with
Gentlemen, members of the press, pardon, members of the press, we'll be having just two questions. Come out quickly and ask a question. Francis from NTA, Lucky from Channels.